In this video, I'll show you how to navigate a lesson in Möbius. So, lessons are composed of pages that hold your actual lesson content, and some lessons also have the pages organized under section headings. So, for example, let me open up this lesson right here. I'll resume it. So notice in this case, I have a bunch of pages up here called lesson part 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. But below that, this is what I was talking about. This is a section heading called quiz with pages within it. So it might contain sections, it might not. It depends on the lesson, of course, of how your teacher organized it. But whatever page you click on, as you can tell, it will reveal and show you content that you're allowed to interact with. Now, in general, as you navigate between pages of a lesson, you'll notice that you might see some check marks previously that tell you that you've completed the actual page of the lesson. But the teacher, your instructor, lack of better words, can define different properties that kind of affect how lessons are classified as complete. For example, it could be that you have to get everything correct on the previous page, or all you have to do is just look at it, right? It depends on the criteria the teacher has set. Now, during a lesson, you might just see some regular text on your page. You might see interactive narratives. You might see math apps. Basically, a teacher can customize all the material on a page that you can interact with, and they choose what's there, of course. Now, some lessons will also have, a blue "How did I do" button, like this one does right here, for when you see a question. This will allow you to see the correctness of your response to a question within a lesson itself. For example, if I see this, I can see an answer, so I get it wrong, so I can go back and try another, and I can try it again, if I could better words, or try a new version of the question. So you might see those two buttons on your lesson. As well, though, clicking on previous page and next page, these buttons at the bottom here, will navigate, as you see on the left-hand side, accordingly through the lesson itself. Now, I do want to make sure you know that clicking on next unit item, or you might even see previous unit item, will actually navigate you from the activities within this unit, so between lessons and assignments directly, whereas next page, previous page are contained to this lesson itself that you're in. Now, your lesson also, like you see mine does here, might have the submit lesson button, which means that your lesson is to be submitted for grading. Not every lesson has this. It's only there if your teacher has set up your lesson for grading purposes. So be sure to check out the Submit an Activity Help Topic and Video Guide for more details. But that is how you navigate a lesson in Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.